Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12 Cbse Maths Application of Derivative exercise 6.5 question number 28. Let's see the question. For all values of x, the minimum value of 1 minus x plus x square by 1 plus x square is dash. Now here we are going to find what value of this this expression will be if the x is a minimum. Now we need to find whether x value, then substitute it to find the minimum value of this expression. Now let us find, we know when it is minimum, we know we need to differentiate. So let us differentiate this. Differentiating it is in the form of u by v. U by v means keeping v as it is, differentiate u minus u differentiate v by v square. So let me write the denominator as it is, differentiate the numerator. If I differentiate, this becomes 0, this becomes minus 1 plus 2x. Minus, keeping minus as it is, if I differentiate the denominator, writing the numerator as it is, the denominator will become plus 1 because constant term is 0. So plus 1 plus 2x by denominator square. Now let us multiply this inside. If I multiply, it becomes minus 1 minus x square. If I multiply with 2 plus 2x plus 2x square plus 2x cube minus, if I multiply this inside, it becomes 1 minus x plus x square. If I multiply with 2x, it becomes plus 2x minus 2x square plus 2x cube. Now let us solve the like term also. I will write the minus sign inside. Here it becomes by denominator square. Now minus 1, this two are like terms, so it becomes plus x. Here these two are like terms, plus x square plus x cube. Now minus 1 is there, so plus 1 is there. With this minus, it becomes minus 1. These two are like terms, so plus x, with the minus sign it becomes minus x. Now we have minus x square, this becomes plus x square, 2x square plus 2x cube, with the minus 2x cube. Now this get cancelled. This minus x plus x get cancelled. Now we have minus 1 minus 1. Let me write the denominator again. I am not going to solve the denominator, the whole square. I am not going to expand it. Here it becomes minus 2 plus 2x square by the denominator. Usually to find the x value, we will be taking the first differentiation to be equal to 0. So if I write this is equal to 0, this goes to the side and becomes 0 into any number will become 0. So this is, if this is equal to 0, 2x square minus 2 is equal to 0 means x square equal to 2 by 2. This 2 comes as a plus 2 divided by 2 and becomes 1. So x will be equal to plus or minus 1. We have found the x value. To find which value to be the minimum and the maximum, we need to do the second differentiation of the given expression. That is the first derivative. We have already found it and we have written it to equal to 0 to find the x value. To find which value gives you the minimum, I am going to differentiate this again. So we need to find the second differentiation, that is d square y by dx square. The same pattern. Keep the denominator as it is, u by v form, so keep the denominator as it is. Differentiate the numerator. Numerator becomes 4x because here minus 2 is a constant term, it becomes 4x minus, keeping the numerator as it is. If I differentiate the denominator, that is exponent form, so power form we need to do it again. into inner function differentiation. is 1, this constant term becomes 0, this is 1 plus 2x by the denominator square. Now you can multiply this inside, or you can need to square it. It becomes a very big process. Instead of that, if you just substitute the x value, because we know that very well, if we solve also will not get our x value. That is, we will not get whether it's minimum or a maximum. To find it, we need to substitute the one value, that is the x value in it. So I am going to substitute 1, plus 1 and minus 1 to find which value gives you the minimum. To find the minimum, just substitute the 1. Let x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, if I substitute here, the whole thing becomes 1, because whole things becomes 3. 1 plus 1, here 1 square becomes 1, so this becomes 3. 3 square is 9. 9 into here, if I substitute 1, it becomes 4. Minus, here if I substitute minus 1, it becomes plus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 will become 0. The whole thing will become 0. So 0 into any number will become 0. So 0 by here 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 so here it becomes 4, because squaring the v square, that is squaring the denominator, it becomes square, the whole square. So it becomes 2 2s are 4. Now if I substitute one value here, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, again 3 power 4. 3 power 4, here 3 square, so this get cancelled and becomes square. So we have 4 by 9. 4 by 9 is a positive value. Seeing this, we can say this to be minimum. So substituting one value gives you the minimum. So 1 is the minimum value because it is a positive value. No need to do the minus 1. If not, if you find it to find the value, we can also substitute minus 1 and check whether it's a positive 1 or a negative 1. Surely it will be a negative 1 because we have got a positive value now. So we need to find the real value in the expression, means substitute this one, that the x value to the question. Now here we have our question, substitute 1 here, it becomes 1 minus 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here this get cancelled, it becomes 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is in the option D. So option D is your correct answer for the expression when the x value is minimum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.